Hello, and welcome to Go Pronunciation, lesson number 10. In this lesson, we are practicing this sound, R, with vowels at the end of the word. Firstly, let's try to make the R sound. Look at the pictures on the left. Number 1. Join your back tongue to your back teeth. Number 2. Start to roll your front tongue to the back. Number 3. Continue to roll your tongue back slowly and make a sound like this. R, 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 R. Okay. Now, look at the left side of the table, at column 1. Listen and repeat. Tour, pure, cure, skewer, truer. Let's do that one more time. Listen and repeat. Tour, pure, cure, skewer, truer. Okay. Now, look at column 2. Listen and repeat. Sure, pour, more, sore, store. Let's do that one more time. Listen and repeat. Listen and repeat. Sure, pour, more, sore, store. Okay. Now, look at column 3. Listen and repeat. Hour, power, hourly, cower, bower. Let's do that one more time. Listen and repeat. Hour, power, hourly, cower, bower. Okay. Now, look at column 4. Listen and repeat. Her, fur, stir, blur, occur. Let's do that one more time. Listen and repeat. Her, fur, stir, blur, occur. Okay. Now, look at column 5. Listen and repeat. here, near, clear, cheer, appear. Let's do that one more time. Listen and repeat. Here, near, clear, cheer, appear. Good work. Let's go to the next slide. So, here we are, slide number 2. Now we will do sentence pronunciation drills. Number 1. Your pure power poured clear cheer near her store. Okay. Repeat again. Your pure power poured clear cheer near her store. Great work. Let's go to number 2. Okay. Listen and repeat. Number 2. Sure cure workers. Stir pure herbs. Every hour here. Okay, repeat again. Sure cure workers. Stir pure herbs. Every hour here. Great work. Let's go to number 3. Okay. Listen and repeat. Number 3. Her furry skewer stirred more sore stew. Every hour. Okay, repeat again. Her furry skewer stirred more sore stew. Every hour. Great work. Let's go to number 4. Okay. Listen and repeat. Number 4. Clear cheers appear nearer your bower as storms blur. Okay, repeat again. Clear cheers appear nearer your bower as storms blur. Great work. Let's go to number 5. Okay. Listen and repeat. Number 5. Truer cures occur near your store. More hourly here. Okay, repeat again. Truer cures occur near your store. More hourly here. Great work. Let's go to number 6, the last one. Okay. Listen and repeat. Number 6. Pour pure water near her flower bower before tears appear. Okay, repeat again. Pour pure water near her flower bower before tears appear. Okay, great work everyone. That finishes our drills for the day. Please write a comment below and like and subscribe. Goodbye for now, from Go Go Pronunciation.